That was a good shot. Ooh. Is there more left? I can't shoot. Is there some more? I know what you did. Magnum 38 Magnum. I figured it out after a while. I said, when I hit that bullseye, and then the next one I'm going, man, I got to talk to you about your loads. And